In this video, I'll show you how to reduce ads on your Samsung phone in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and tap on Google. Once you're inside Google Settings, tap on All Services or Ads, depending on your device version. Here, you'll find your Advertising ID. This ID is used to personalize ads on your phone. To limit ad tracking, tap on Delete Advertising ID or Reset Advertising ID. Confirm the option, and that's it. Next, go back and look for Usage and Diagnostics. Open it and turn this feature off. This helps reduce the data shared from your device. And that's all you need to do to minimize ads on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.